Hi guys! Kamusta po ang lahat? How are you all? With today's video. So, naisip ko isama ko kayo for unboxing all these boxes behind me from Michael Kors. So, for sure, marami po dito yung mahihilig sa mga bags, sa mga wallets, and purses. Ayan. So, share ko po sa inyo kung ano yung mga na pili ko. Ayan. Dito ko po ito nakuha sa Canada and sa Vancouver, Glen MacArthur Outlet. Ayun. So, doon ko po siya nabili. So, super sale siya, guys. Mura lang yung mga items doon. And, meron pa kang isang event doon, guys. If I'm not mistaken, it's like a Boxing Day. It's like 70% off on everything na nasa store. It's like 70% off. So, konting na lang yung babayaran mo sa actual price niya. So, yan. Gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga napili kong designs from Michael Kors. Ayan. Tcharan! Ayan. Mga Michael Kors purses po. Sino ba? Class and elegant siyang tingnan. Very, very nice. Araw-araw, gagamitin mo siya everyday, gagamitin mo sa work, gagamitin mo in some trip. It's perfect. Yes. So, start na natin. So, I have 3 bags here. Isahin natin. And then, I'll show it to you kung ano yung features nung nandito. Okay? Let's start. This one. So, super bag siya lahat. Okay? So, bubuksan natin guys isa-isa. And then, I'll show you kung ano yung design niya. Yung kanyang model. Alright. Let's start for this one. Of course, always, when you get it from the store, lagi siyang may wrapper. So, yan, this one, it is beautiful. Very class. Right? Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Anong color ba to? It's like flesh in color, neutral. This is Mercer and medium messenger. Ayan. So, yan yung color niya. Of course, there's a Michael Kors tag. Ayan. So, yan. That metal top there. It's like gold Michael Kors top. Ha? Ay. Yung tuwing ni Nisi nagmimiyaw. Gulat pa ako. Ayan. So, yan. It's beautiful. Inside, meron siyang strap, of course. May strap siyang kasama. And, ganito siya inside. Ayan. And then, may zipper sa gitna. And, of course, there's the care card. Kasama po yan. Yan, guys. So, kung alis kayo, diba? Magde-date kayo ng jowa nyo. So, pwede to. It's very beautiful. And may strap din po siya. Pwede niyo po siyang ilagay as body bag. Very, very nice, guys. And I think hindi po siya mahirap i-pair sa mga susuot yung mga clothes because yung color niya is neutral. Very classy. The back part. Ayan. Michael Kors. This is, kung gusto nyo po itong tingnan sa mga Michael Kors store, ayan, makikita nyo po siya. Ito po yung kanyang tag. Michael Kors Mercer. Shows $528, guys. Originally, that's the price for this one. But then I just got this for walang nakalagay. Walang nakalagay, guys. Wala kanya resibo. If I'm not mistaken, it's only about $160. Kasi po ay super sale siya. Naka-sale siya ng buong. There you go. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love the color. I love the texture. And class po ito. Like, magsimba ka or mag-date kayo. Pwede mo siyang dalhin. Or even in a party. So, yan. Ganyan siya. Charan! That's the first bag. And then, the second one, I'm going to show you is this one. Let's check it out. It's the black one. It's the black in color. And here, it's like a bucket bag. A bucket messenger. A bucket messenger. It's cute too, guys. It's very cute. Yung kanyang lock, it's like this. So. And inside, of course, there's the strap. There's the strap. And sa inside po, ano lang siya. Wala po siyang divider. Open lang po. Ayan. Nandun pa yung kanyang care card. Open lang siya. It's beautiful too. Black is beautiful. And then there's the Michael Kors brand. And the black. See? Cute po siya. Very cute. So, kung hindi nyo po kailangan magdala ng mga sobrang daming stuff, perfect siya to carry anywhere. See? Beautiful po. And the next one, the last one I have here is, of course, Michael Kors. Let's open it. There. It's like the vanilla color, kung tawagin nila. Ayan. Oh, sobrang naka-sealed siya. And then may Michael Kors ulit na metal tab. And sa inside, same as the first one, marami siyang compartment, 3. Ang tawag po dito ay Mercer ulit, but it's like the powder blush MLT. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng MLT? Hindi ko alam. Pero it's like a powder blush MLT. So, little pink and white. And inside, again, 3 compartment, and then there's a zipper for your, you know, wallet and your cell phone. There's this thing, and I'll show you the original price. $468. But then again, I just got it for less than $200. Ayan, it's beautiful. So, ano yung favorite nyo dyan? This one is so cute. Lakas maka-girly. Very, very nice. Yan. There you go, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayong panoorin. Na-i-unbox tong mga maliliit na baggies na to. Mga bagelya. Ayan. But yeah, they're all beautiful. They're all, you know, pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan ka pupunta. The black one, the bucket messenger, and then this one is the Mercer messenger bag. It's like flesh and color, neutral. And this one is the powder blush MLT. This is Mercer as well. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me and watching all my goodies here. I love goodies. I love goodies. So, yung mga girlfriends nyo, mga mother nyo, diba? Mga sisters, pwede nyo po silang ibili ng mga katulad nitong klase ng bag na to. Kasi for sure, magugustuhan nila. Okay? And, yun lang po. Gusto ko lang siya i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakuha kong design. And, of course, you can get an idea kung sa next pang Christmas, mga ganun, pang gift nyo ba. Yan. So, pwede nyo po silang hanapin sa store. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayong panoorin. Kasi, pag nag-unbox ako, nag-enjoy ko po siya talaga. And, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the red button below and subscribe, and then do more unboxing with you guys, hopefully. And until next video, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Keep safe, everyone.